Hello, namaste and welcome back to my channel and my IGTV. I am Rhythm, and in this video I'll be showing you these beautiful candles that I got from Aditi. Her Instagram page is aditi.artfuldecor. I'll just name it over here. So many of you ask me where I get these candles from. Earlier, before she started making candles, I used to source my candles from here and there. And a person like me, I've made a lot of videos on candle magic, how burning candles can help you attract whatever you want. It is a very great and an important tool to manifest your wishes. So I got my candles customized from her, the fragrances customized from her, and I'll show you. I've already opened the package because abhi itna kaun karta na, it was such a hassle, so I already did that. So the first one is this lemon scented candle. Alright, I wanted this orange candle with the lemon scent. This is how she's packed it. I'll be opening it up, though I don't want to, because isme na I can't open it. I'll open it later on. Sorry, I'll have to tear it off. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys that it has these chunks of lemon also in it. See? And I'm waiting to burn them. And the next one is this peppermint candle. So I got this berry color in peppermint fragrance. She gave me the list of the fragrances that she had and the colors, so you guys can also customize it according to your taste. And I got this done. I mean, they're so delicious that I so want to eat them. I mean, it is delicious. And the other one is small rose candle in a fragrance of rose, red candle. And I have another lemon candle, and along with that she sent me these 3 mini candles in purple. Black is my favorite candle. I have recorded this video and I tell a lot of people that if there is some danger, that's my grandfather behind the video. So if you want to ward away the evil, it is a very, very powerful candle. So I'll be getting this in a bigger size as well. And this is the brown candle. I haven't recorded a video about brown candle yet. I think I haven't. I'll do that soon. I'll tell you a little bit about this person, and she's a true inspiration to all of us. Her journey is absolute inspiration. Why? Because okay, I might get a little bit emotional also. This person is Aditi, is a cancer survivor. She's very young when she got that, and her journey is full of huge inspiration. And during the times she was going through all this, finding something to begin of your own, because she was working somewhere, and then COVID happened, and because of the treatment also she had to sit back. But I am really happy that she found her passion. She thought she should be doing something, and she started with candle making. And of course, I love candles a lot. So I am very, very proud of you, Aditi. Thank you so much for sending me. As soon as she began making candles, I was the first one. Please send me these candles. I'm so crazy for the candles, I'm telling you. I burn one candle every day. So yeah, that is all. You guys should also check out her page and order your candles from her. And lastly, the drill, do follow me on Instagram and like, share and subscribe my channel as well. And for the appointments, tarot appointments, either you can book your sessions through my website rhythmtarot.com, or you can DM me on Instagram. Take care, see you, bye bye, stay safe.